Hello my friends, namaste, hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm back with a new video. I will react to the Indian Prime Minister scaled the skies in an Air Force fighter jet. Actually, before I begin my reaction video, I want to say that I didn't do reaction videos last week because of my sickness. I was fighting with cold and flu, and but now I'm better and I'm back, so thank you for your patience. And now, as we know, one day ago the Prime Minister Modi flies in a aircraft Tejas. So he becomes the first Prime Minister to fly India's indigenous light combat aircraft Tejas. So I'm so excited to check this video and see how beautiful his experience was. So let's be ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is my Prime Minister, how confident he walks. He's ready. What an aircraft! Wow! Oh my god. He looks enjoying. So nice. I think it was a beautiful experience. Oh my god, look at his smile. Amazing. So my friends, I really enjoyed watching this video, and especially the Prime Minister Modi was so happy, and it shows on his face by flying in this aircraft. Tejas, really, it's an awesome aircraft fighter, and it shows us how much the government has confidence on this particular aircraft. My friends, I hope that you enjoyed watching my reaction video, and if you want to see more reaction shorts, you can follow me on my Instagram page. And if you have more videos you want me to react to, you can mention it in the comments. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Love you all. Bye.